School of redfish. It's a giant bluefish, dude. Right, so today is Monday. It's our last full day here. We'll be traveling tomorrow, and so I'm getting ready to head out. It's about 6 o'clock, a little later than I wanted to get out, but getting ready to head out and get after it. I'm here at the little resort we're staying in, and I'm about to drop her in. The weather's kind of changed on us. It's got a little cloud cover, but I'm hoping maybe that'll help the topwater bite this morning. Maybe there'll be some trout in here. I would love it. Get on some trout, but we're gonna see. Try our best to make this thing happen. So you guys stay tuned. All right, here we go. Headed out. Got the truck dropped off. We're gonna see what's out there this morning. Just talked to another guy from Illinois who's kayak fishing here, and he's been fishing in between the boats and said he's been catching some red snapper. So man, how cool would that be? You don't even understand how much Angie likes red snapper. If I get a chance to get on some red snapper, psst, it's over with. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. We on it, baby. A little windy today. Winds out of like the east, kind of an east-northeast. And this canal basically runs east and west. So I'll have the wind to kind of my back right flank. But might push me up into what I'm trying to fish, but just anchor up and let it push me where I need it. So. Bluefish. Get that thing, man. Let's get those pliers out. Look at him jump. He is some kind of mad. Look at this thing. Mad, ain't he? Maybe he'll let his own self off. There we go. That's what we like. Oh, little bluefish. Oh, good. Came off right there. That's what I like. Oh, I really want to mess with the bluefish. That was crazy though, because he had one blowing up on my top water while I was catching him. That was pretty wild. Let's try again. Caught a couple bluefish there. Caught one on top water and one on my shrimp on the floating bobber. The funny thing is, the one when I had them on my floating bobber, I had one blowing up on the on my top water that I was trying to reel in. Almost had a double hookup. If I'd have slowed down, I probably would have had a double, but I don't know what I would have done with it. Try it again. Try to work it a little faster and get their attention. Alright, that's a wrap for this little morning session. Got some weather coming in, and Mama is not able to get on the beach with all this clouds. So I'm gonna head back, man. She ain't called, she ain't said a word. She would let me stay out here and fish. But I'm gonna go on back and spend some time with Mama. Today's our last full day here. Tomorrow we're rolling early, headed back to the casa. So anyway, may get a chance to do a little fishing this afternoon. I'm hoping to. And if I do, you'll be right here with me. Alright, thanks for watching. Loaded up on a biscuit. Y'all ready to go shopping?
Yeah, we're going shopping.
So, here's the deal. Today's our last full day in Destin, and we were hoping it was gonna be like real sunshiny today. But it wasn't. So we're gonna take Mama and Mama shopping. That's what we're gonna do. We're going shopping some more. We shopped our feet off yesterday, and but you can best bet a dead sprint from here to Kansas that I don't wear Crocs on an all-day shopping event anymore. Which one is it?
Hey, you gonna get out of it? Oh my God.
We have found one of Angie's favorite places to shop. And you talking about somebody can find bargains?
Goodwill.
This girl can find bargains.
The Goodwill. We're going
Boom.
in here.
There it is, Goodwill. Uh-huh. You find anything in the Goodwill, baby doll?
Yeah, you did. You did. You got you
Virtual
reality goggles.
Virtual reality goggles.
Yep. You did.
That'll be some good footage later. We'll have to find something funny to watch.
Yeah.
All right. On to the next one. Where we headed now?
Wherever we can find.
Wherever we find. My man took his paddleboard all the way out yonder. Way out there. Enjoying your beach? How about you, Ruth?
Absolutely.
Loving it?
Yep.
It's been worth the 12 hours
Yeah.
and the armadillos.
We don't want to go home.
Y'all don't want to go home? Okay, so newsflash, we're staying in Florida. I mean,